Hi guys, in this video we're gonna start off by creating a AWS account. You need to log into this portal over here. Actually, you can just Google AWS Amazon and you'll reach the sign on and create a new account. You have to enter your email address. Make sure that I am a new user selected. Complete the login credentials form. Complete the payment information form. You will need a credit or debit card. Complete the identity verification. And when you select the support plan, select basic for free tier usage, and then once all the steps are done, you can sign on to the AWS console. So I'm going to start now, so let's go. Hi. So step one of creating your AWS account, just fill in your email address, your own password, and create your AWS account name, and click on to continue. Once you reach this page, you just need to click on personal and then enter your details. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my details and black this information out. Once you've entered your contact details, you will now come to the payment information page. You will need to have a valid credit or debit card number and enter the information to go to the next step. Once you've entered your payment information, you will be asked to confirm your identity, and you can choose to receive a SMS or a voice call. So you can follow these steps by yourself. So I've received my SMS and I'm entering the 4-digit verification code that I received to proceed. Once you've entered that, you will just be confirmed that your identity has been verified successfully. Once you reach this page, you will be offered various support plans. So we're simply just going to go ahead with the free tier. But if you were a developer or a business, then you could select this particular support plan. So we're just going to click on this, and this will lead us now to this particular page, and then we just need to go into sign into the console. So just my role is academic researcher, and I'm interested in learning and certification, and click submit, and then go to sign into the console. Alright, so I've been brought to this page and I just need to enter my password. And great, we've reached our AWS Management Console. So I'm going to go through the various services mentioned over here in the next video.